Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or restore a missing sleep option in Windows 10 Power menu. When you click on this one Start button and click on this one Power option, you should see here sleep option. In case it is missing on your Windows 10 laptop, you need to click on this one Start button and then type control panel. In the search, just click on this one control panel entry. This will open control panel. Here set view y to category and then click on this one sound and hardware and sound category. Then click power options. Then click choose what the power button does. Now click on this one link, change settings that are currently unavailable. Now check this one sleep option, then click on this one save changes button. Now close this one power options window, then click on this one start button and click on this one power option. Now you should see a sleep option in power menu on your Windows 10 PC.